Good morning. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day, and I didn't get any footage at the party that I wanted, but I did win this. I've been wanting one of these. I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and when I come back, I'm gonna make a smoothie and this new NutriBullet that I got at the White Elephant Ugly Sweater Christmas party. And then later on today, my family's coming over. We're gonna have cake and ice cream for my mom. Her birthday was last week, but because she was so busy, we didn't get a chance to celebrate. So they're gonna come over today for cake and ice cream. And we will play some games, take some pictures. I wanna do a little photo shoot with the cardboard box and the Christmas lights. So I'm gonna try to do that. And that's about it for today. Yeah, so I will see y'all when I come back from the gym. I wasn't sure if I was going to record at the gym, but here we are. Hey y'all, so I'm just getting back from the store. I came home, showered, and then I ran back out because I had to get some items for the celebration for my mom's birthday party. But I still want to share with you the NutriBullet. And I shared some of my workout with y'all, but it's not my total workout. I only share like a portion of it, and I probably did, I know I did at least 9 different HIIT exercises. I think I shared 3 with you, but I really love that workout. She targets specific muscles, so we did upper body in one station, then we did the abs in another station, and then we did lower body in the third station. In each station there were 3 different exercises. It's high intensity interval training. I love that way better, much better than Zumba. But let me get this NutriBullet, and I'm still gonna make a smoothie even though it's 2 o'clock. I'm gonna make my smoothie. Really want to see how it works because I'm gonna use it tomorrow morning before I go to work. So let me get it. This is it. I'll probably just make a small smoothie because my family should be here around 3 o'clock, and I don't want to get too full off of the smoothie, but I want to know what I'm doing tomorrow morning. Oh, okay, so essentially it's 3 cups, 3 lids, the base, and the blade. Okay, so I'm gonna make a small one. I don't need a really big one. I'm gonna wash these cups, make the smoothie. And while I was at the store, I got a box. I saw a guy unboxing Planters peanuts, so I asked him for his box so I can do the box photo shoot. And this is the box. It's a pretty good size. It was a Planters box. It's clean, so this will be perfect for the photo shoot, right? All right, y'all, so got my milk. Like I said, I don't want to make a lot. Cutting banana, turmeric, some ginger, a date. Make sure I get the pit out. For the smoothie, it's gonna be mixed berries. So this should be good, right? A little bit. Oh God, this, I don't know. Hopefully this is enough milk, but we're gonna find out. It's kind of a lot of, I don't know. That's not a lot of milk. Let's see. How do you turn it on? Oh my God. Interesting. Oh, okay. This is a lot. So I need some more milk. So you have to press it down. I didn't even read that part in the direction. So you press it down. Okay. Oh, God. This ended up being a lot. I'm looking for buttons on here like a blender. That junk scared me. Okay, just press it down. That seems weird. That's how you work it? Okay. I made too much. God. I mean, it's... How do you... Oh, I'm making a mess. Put the whole thing in there, just half. I just wanted this much, and I got all this. I put too much. Oh, God. This is all I wanted. Okay, so you just put it. Okay. So that's how you do it. So then I take this and get me a cup. Oh, let me turn on Santa's. Let me turn on Santa's fireplace. Okay. So now I know how to work the NutriBullet. Pretty cool. I just, in the morning, I'm going to use the big one because the cup that I usually bring to work or drive in on, the cup I usually drive to work in is this one. So I'm going to use this smoothie, this size cup in the morning when I go to work. Okay. And that'll be enough. Y'all see Santa over there? After I clean this mess up, I'm gonna decorate the box so it'll be ready when they get here. This is good. I could have blended it more. I'm getting pieces of the date. Oh. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank y'all for watching. And depending on how this box turns out and if my family wants to be seen, I'll share it with y'all. Bye.